What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can request a refund on a transaction on the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut app, you would just need to go in the upper left corner on your profile icon. Once you're here, just go ahead and select the first option, which says Help. Now on the Help menu, you would need to select again the first option that says Dispute Transactions. Now a menu will load with your transaction history, so here you would just need to select which transaction you would like to dispute or get a refund on. So I will select this last transaction, which was for Claude. Now you would need to select the issue that you have with this transaction, so I will just select the middle option, which says I want to dispute this transaction. That's the most general one. Now right here you would just need to tap on Raise a Dispute, right here, this blue highlighted text. So right here you would just need to provide a proof of purchase, so this can be a screenshot of a receipt, an email that you got as a confirmation email for the purchase, and so on. Anything that can be connected to you purchasing this product. Now after you uploaded the proof of purchase, you can go ahead and tap on Continue. Then you would need to provide an order or a booking ID if it was a booking, and also some details or a description of what happened or what you purchased. After you inputted both of those, you can go ahead and tap on Continue. And on this screen, you would just need to select what actually went wrong with the purchase. So let's, for example, select the service was not as described. Now, if this is a subscription service, you will get this notice, so I will just select yes, I cancel my subscription. Then I would need to provide a proof of cancellation. Now, after providing the proof, just go ahead and tap on Continue. And here you would just need to input the cancellation date and why you actually canceled the subscription, if this transaction was for a subscription service. Now, after you provided that info, just go ahead and tap on Continue again. And this is the last step. So here you would need to explain what actually happened, and this answer will go directly to a real person, so a Revolut support representative. So just go ahead and input all the details that are relevant to this request, and you can also upload some screenshots additionally. After all that, go ahead and tap on Continue once more. And here we are. So right here, all you would need to do is just scroll down until this Submit button appears. And once you're here, just go ahead and tap on that Submit button and your refund request will be sent to Revolut. So from my past experience, you can expect a full refund in about 3 to 4 business days. That's guys how you can request a refund on the Revolut app. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.